Colada smoothie bowl, flax seeds, chia seeds, hemp hearts, macadamia nuts, chocolate almonds, chocolate shavings and flakes, pineapple tidbits. My name is Chef Fran, and today we are making a Peanut Colada smoothie. Put a splash of coconut water. Well, our coconut milk is very creamy here. And a splash of pineapple juice. Our coconut Greek yogurt. Here we go. There we go. So, here's our smoothie bowl. Put our coconut flakes in here. Here are smoothie bowls. You can create and make your own design. My designs were this for my smoothie bowl. And they all have the same ingredients except that one has granola and chocolate syrup and the other one has strawberry syrup and peanut butter. Here are smoothie bowls. You can create and make your own design. My designs were this for my smoothie bowl. And they all have the same ingredients except that one has granola and chocolate syrup and the other one has strawberry syrup and peanut butter. But they all contain our healthy trilogy, which is the hemp heart, chia seeds. And today we're making strawberry avocado chocolate smoothie bowl. So I have a cup of almond milk here. And I'm going to I'll put one more big strawberry. So it's about, granted the bag is not all that big. I would say I did 3/4 of the bag. Yep. A quarter of this bag avocado. So this is about a teaspoon of that syrup. And we're gonna put our vanilla extract, just about a cup full, which would be equivalent to 1 teaspoon of Greek yogurt to make your smoothie. All right, so here's my smoothie. Drizzle my syrup here, my strawberry syrup, sugar-free chocolate syrup. On my strawberry, give it a drizzle. Our wonderful watermelon strawberry smoothie bowl. I've just garnished it with some trilogy, which is flax seeds, chia seeds, and hemp hearts, with some coconut shavings and some dark chocolate nibs. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Okay. I need the base to be flat. All right. Yeah, there we go. I am just going to start digging this out. Just put that in my bowl. Look at all this watermelon juice. Ooh, coming out. Now I have some frozen cauliflower here. Oatmeal in here. Okay. Then you have your scoop there of protein powder. So I have a scoop of collagen, some maple syrup, 1/4 cup of almond milk in here. So just a little splash of coconut water. And we're gonna blend our smoothie. Now I'm going to garnish this with my trilogy. Nice coconut shavings here. Chocolate. Dark chocolate, always good for you. And this is our smoothie bowl. Apple Caramel Cinnamon Smoothie Bowl has our red and green apples, apple butter, almonds, chai and flax seeds, hemp hearts, granola, caramel sauce, and cinnamon. Adding our Greek yogurt, we froze this. Apples itself, all of our apples. We're going to put our apple sauce. We froze that as well. A little vanilla. Just about a capful. Get your apple butter here. Okay, so we put our caramel. Ooh, look at that. My granola here. Putting my apples here. Apple goodness. I'm just kind of doing light and dark granola just to add a little color here. Pumpkin Smoothie Bowl has pumpkin butter, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, granola, honey, and dried apricots. And today we are making a pumpkin smoothie bowl. I'm going to add a little milk, just a little, like a splash of almond milk. Pumpkin, baby food here. We have some Greek yogurt that I had froze. And maple syrup here. That's about a tablespoon. One teaspoon of vanilla, cinnamon. So we're going to put a teaspoon and add some honey to this. Our collagen in here. Smoothie, here we go. I already have some apple butter, and I'm going to go this way. My drizzle of my apple butter, some more drizzle, apricot. Okay, and granola. This has our pumpkin seeds and flaxseed. This granola. Drizzle a little bit of honey. Be sure to subscribe for more delicious food content, and this will also help me to grow. And click the like button to give me a virtual hug.